This segment is going to be an estate tax update. This year, 2010, right now we have no estate tax, and although that sounds really appealing, we have another tax called the capital gains tax that has replaced it. It's code section 1022, and the relevant sections for most people are sections B and C. In these sections, let's generally talk about 1022 first. What this means is you will carry over the basis that the person that left you money, that's the basis that they originally have, you'll take that basis. So the adjusted basis rules under this section are $1.3 million in adjusted basis for people who are non-spouses and $3 million for people who are spouses. So what does this mean? Well, in a normal tax year, so if you go back a year and go back to 2009, or you fast forward and assume that Congress will do nothing, which it's looking more and more likely that that will happen in 2011, we get a step up to fair market value on all the property that we inherit. So what that means is if your mom or dad had a house and they paid $100,000 for it 25 years ago, 30 years ago, and now it's worth $1 million, in a normal tax year, you would inherit that at the current fair market value of $1 million. While in 2010, you'll inherit that property based on their original basis plus some step up in basis rules. So if your parents bought the house for $100,000 and they both perished in a car accident and now it's worth $1 million and you and your siblings inherit it, there's a $1.3 million step up in basis. So in our example, if that's the only property that they had in their estate, that would be fine because it would be $100,000 plus $1.3 million in step-up basis. So there would be no capital gains tax. But you can imagine, what if you had a lot of property that exceeded that amount so that there was a tax above the $1.3 million adjusted basis plus the original basis. So it's not like we have no estate tax this year, it's just in a different form. It's form code section 1022 B and C. If you have any questions about these rules, please give my office a call and I'd love to talk with you. The number is 760-448-2220, or you can contact me through the web at www.geigerlawoffice.net, Geiger lawoffice.net. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.